Interesting.
So now you feel more whole, you feel more love, you feel more freedom, you feel more faster frequencies, more bliss, more wholeness, because there's less separation.
Interesting.
So now the fastest frequencies, Planck constant, the frequency is so fast, take a centimeter of this frequency and there's enough energy to create the entire universe.
Wow.
That's how much energy is in there, okay?
Wow.
So you get to a point where the points of absolute speed and the points of absolute rest merge. That point, that non-vibratory state, has an infinite number of potentials, an enormous amount of power. It is the source of everything physical and material, right? So then energy slows down, and as it slows down, it has its own characteristics, and it reaches a point where it can no longer be whole. When it reaches a point where it no longer can be whole, it divides. It separates, it bursts, and now you have light and photons and electrons and positive charge and negative charge and past and future and sound, and the frequency slows all the way down into density, right? So then our job then is to take all of our attention off our body, off our environment and time, and really move to a place where we're conscious of nothing but you as an awareness. And when you do that, that point of where you become pure consciousness is the door to the quantum field.
Wow.
That's where we start interacting with different energies and frequencies. So we use this model to help people understand that the closer you get to source, if you're vibrating at this frequency as pure consciousness and you're creating from here, there's less separation between you as your individual consciousness and oneness. If there's less separation between 2 points of consciousness, and you're creating from the field, it should appear in three-dimensional reality in a shorter amount of time. Down here, there's a lot of separation. It's just going to take you a long time to create what you want, right? So getting beyond yourself and becoming pure consciousness, there's a whole unlearning process that has to go on. Why? Because we're still programmed to believe when we're in that void or in that vacuum, in that nothing, in the emptiness, we actually believe there's Louis or Joe Dispenza, I'm here, and then there's the vacuum and the void here, and you still believe you're separate. And that is a whole unlearning process that has to go on to realize that you're a thought, you're an awareness there.